These are my roommates, Taylor and Emily, and also me. We each vlogged our college day from our own perspective, so this should be interesting. We have no idea what we're doing! A few things about this vlog before we continue. It's just super weird because I filmed this like a little over a month ago. Obviously I intended on editing this way sooner, but for whatever reason I just didn't. And now here we are, and the world has completely changed since I filmed this vlog. I had no idea that we were going to have a pandemic, that I would be self-isolating while editing this, and that some of these people featured I will not see again in school because Penn State is online for the entirety of the spring semester. I just wanted to say that this was weird, and I can't believe we're in this position, but I hope everyone is doing what they need to be doing in order to mitigate the consequences. That's all. Love you. Let's watch the vlog. Woo! Hi, welcome to Chili's. I have a class at 10:35. Let's frickin' not look ugly anymore. Good morning, chickens. Sup, it's Sydney. I don't know, whatever introduction you're feeling. I have two classes to get to today. One starts in 25 minutes, so we kind of got to get rolling. That one is geography, and it's literally the dumbest class ever, but it's 3 science credits, so I'm not that mad. And then I have kind of a big long break, and then supply chain, so let's go.
Good morning, everyone. It is 8:12 a.m. and you're looking at the face of someone who is extremely tired. I'm getting ready for my first class of the day. I feel so awkward doing this for the footage, you know. So this morning it's taking me a little bit longer than I expected to get ready, so I'm actually running a little bit late, but I put like eyebrow gel on, mascara, a little bit of concealers, because like these eye bags, no bueno. I am going to my first class of the day. It starts at 9:05. It's a 200 level statistics class, but it's an introduction. Bye, Gilligan.
Good morning, everyone. It's Emily. It's currently 9:30 and I've just made myself some oatmeal.
Wow.
Have my water, which will soon turn into coffee. Nice coffee. I'm walking a very non-populated route just so I can talk because I feel awkward. It straight up just started raining, but I thought I would explain my class schedule to you guys. So first, I have BA 342, which is a business, sustainability, and ethics. Clues. I'm famous now. I don't like people looking at me. I feel so awkward.
I just finished Stat 200 and here's Luke. You want to say hi to the vloggers?
Hello.
I'm on my way to my women's studies class. It's an introductory class too for like I don't even know, humanities gen ed maybe? I don't know.
Finished geography. It was so freaking stupid. She lectured to us, and then she had to split up into our parkscape groups because we're doing this project on a national park, and we were randomly assigned a group. And then we had to do some stupid worksheet where we were matching dates to a bunch of events that happened, and she was just like, yeah, this isn't for credit, but the group with the most right will get a prize next class. And of course everyone just looked at their group and was like, We just writing down random dates right now. And now I'm sitting in a corner by myself in the student hub on the floor because it's the busiest time of day, so there's like no seats. I'm now attempting my finance extra credit quiz for the 4th time. Was it basically the same 20 questions over and over? Yes. Is it kind of embarrassing that you would correct your wrong answer and then forget one of your correct answers and get it wrong? Yes. But is she done now? Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god, is that the student athlete, Kelsey? What are you having? Good. Oh my god, is that the Leaning Tower of Pisa?
Oh my gosh, is that the Eiffel Tower?
Oh, oui, oui. Bonjour. Baguette. Goodbye. Have fun in your second half of your 4-hour class, engineering loser.
Okay, I'm going to class number 2 right now.
No.
Wow, aesthetic.
Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
So I've been terrified to record anything because I feel like people are like looking at me. I just got out of my women's studies class. It was really good. We talked about gender, what it means to be male and female. It's actually like a really good class. I 10 out of 10 would recommend. And I'm on my way to my stat lab. Sometimes I have big brain energy, but like not very often.
I'm home now. I have about an hour before I have to head out to go to my next class, which is supply chain, and until then, I'm going to kill my time with, drumroll please, another finance quiz. I'm trying to get ahead on my finance extra credit quizzes because they can kind of creep up on you, since to get the extra credit, it's a little 20-question quiz after every single class. What is the most common reason that companies misrepresent earnings? Because finance people are sneaky. But that's not an option, so I guess we'll go with to meet earnings benchmarks and influence the stock. I hate finance. This question straight up says, the ultimate financial shenanigan is, you're telling me I pay how much a year in tuition for my professor to professionally use the word shenanigan in a graded assignment? The answer is fraud though, so.
Alright, so I just got out of my class and I'm going to the library to study. Yay! But I need to drink this water real quick so I can get iced coffee. Of course. But they were giving out these like mini little toilet things during class. I think they were like stress toilets. And I answered a question, like I mustered up the courage to answer a question to get one, and they didn't give me one.
Bruh.
I actually talked in a big class to get a mini squishy toilet, and they didn't give me one. I'm ready for coffee.
I just got home from class, which you could probably guess by my slightly red wind-struck face. But I got home and I realized I wasn't really able to tell you guys much about like what classes I had today or my major or anything like that because I was running late this morning. I'm in the College of Comm at Penn State, and I just got into my major this past semester, so I'm public relations, and I'm hoping to minor in Spanish and maybe political science? I don't know. We haven't figured that much out yet. I normally have comm classes, but I didn't today. I don't on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I also wanted to give like a little bit of a disclaimer because I am not a vlogger. Be kind to me because I really don't know what I'm doing. Neither does Emily. So like if the camera angles were a little bit up my nose earlier, like just shh.
I'm finally going home, finished most of my stuff that's due tomorrow, but it's time for a break, time to eat. I think we're getting milkshakes later. 2 of my orders came in, so try on haul. So that was a large bird eating a squirrel, but that's one thing I didn't really need to see, but since I got to see it, so do you guys. Is that family friendly? A bird eating a squirrel? I don't know.
Sydney is probably cringing at the lighting in this because it is terrible. Took a quiz on women's studies. It was 4 questions. It was super simple. Your girl got 100%. And then in stat, I actually had to go and ask Sydney for help, but I got 100% on that too. In honor of these 100s, and as a celebratory measure, I am going to cut up and eat an apple. So it's lit. Okay. We're doing ASMR right now because we're in the library and I'm surrounded by people. Right now, I'm going to work on my Excel homework because I have not started and it's due tomorrow. I hate it. Come on,
I've been home from the library for a while now. Talked to my dad for a little bit on FaceTime about spring break and stuff. Got my packages about that. So I ordered a shirt and jeans, right, from American Eagle. Guess what I got? 2 pairs of jeans. I messed one of them up, and even the package, like, slip inside of it says shirt, so don't know how we got here. Yeah, I'll try those on in a little bit. I'm gonna finish my rice and vegetables. Tastes a lot better than it sounds. I'm like addicted to these little minute cups of rice. They're amazing. When Sydney watches this, she's gonna be like, why'd you just take a minute video of you eating? I don't know.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Yeah, these jeans are 100% absolutely going back. I tried to be thick. I tried.
Are you like good? Did MIS for 2 hours and I can't do it anymore. So now, guess what? We're at the creamery about to get ice cream. Don't worry about it.
Right now we're going to meet everyone at the creamery, but we of course drove because it's cold. It's freaking cold. When there's people and we're not vloggers. That was my whole entire day, I'm not even kidding.
Oh, same. Yeah, I had no clue what I was doing, and then I was just like whispering into the camera like, hey guys.
Me. Alrighty, I got a peanut butter cup shake. Taylor, what'd you get?
I got a chocolate shake.
Love it. Luke, what'd you get?
Chocolate chip cookie.
Oh yeah.
You got myself one. You're only a real one if you go to ice cream places and you get chocolate milkshakes because sometimes you just have too many choices. If you do that, you're a homie, and that is all.
I always like get Oreo. That's my go-to. Wherever. Dairy Queen, Grater's, Creamery, Oreo. Guess what the Creamery didn't have today? Oreo. So Luke just informed me that his go-to is Oreo. We've been shafted. We've been done dirty. And what did you get?
Death by chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, Sydney, back at it again with the white Excel spreadsheets. I hate this. Some of you might excel in Excel, but your girl does not. And I don't enjoy this class, and I don't enjoy a lot of the classes that I'm in right now. And I literally just have to do them as requirements, and I'm getting sick of having to take classes that I don't enjoy for requirements to get to more interesting classes because I don't even know if it's worth it. So that is my daily life crisis. Kind of is a part of my daily college routine because I constantly question every decision I make, but catch y'all later. Sorry, that got a little too deep. There she is in her final form. Actually, her final form, not her FNAC form, like the last homework that I just spelled wrong.
So after the creamery, we both came back, took off our makeup, took showers, washed our face. We're grinding, watching Wizards of Waverly Place. It was a good time.
Yeah. Don't listen. We tried our best.
We really out here.
Honestly, if y'all say one thing about their vlogging, I'm gonna have to come to your house and mess you up.
Nah, roast me.
Yeah,
I want to see
roast,
it.
but like slightly toasted, like not blackened. Like,
because I might get a little hurt. I'm already kind of like tender from homework.
I used to just be like, say anything mean to me, it's whatever. Now someone's like, oh, your hair is kind of like out of place, and I just start crying. Thank you, school.
Twilight, twilight.